Thank you for calling Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you?
Yeah, I got a missed call from this number just half hour ago.
All right. And you just got a missed call on this number, 213-452-4138.
Yeah, that's it. Two
All
one
right.
three 452 24138. Yeah.
All right. Hold on. Let me check here and stay on the call with me. Let me check that why you
Yeah.
received the call from the Internal Revenue. And can you please help me out to whom I'm speaking with right now?
Yes,
So
James.
according to that, mm-hmm.
Yes, it's James. James Dean.
All right, Mr. James, hold the line. Let me check.
Okay.
Yes. Is James Dean
Yeah.
like like a actor?
Yeah, same name, different person.
Okay, okay. All right, Mr. James. Right now, thing is that uh, we give you a call because there are some legal allegations, and a lawsuit is going to be filed under your name by the IRS. Are you aware about of this situation before or not?
No, not at all.
Okay. All right, no problem. So let me provide you that information that what is this all about? What was the reason behind this lawsuit? So first of all, my name is Officer Roy Allen. It's R-O-Y, Roy,
Right.
A-L-L-N, Allen. All
Yeah.
right? And I am the investigation officer over here in the IRS. So I'm simply go ahead and read out your affidavit documents for you. So listen to
Oh.
me very carefully. So here, as per your documents,
Yeah.
IRS just conducted an audit on your taxes which you filed for the year between 2009 to 2015. Between those years, we found out that there is some miscalculation error and the taxes which you filed does not match the tax records that we have. So according to the section 101, that amount is still outstanding on your name which
What?
you have filed. I'm sorry?
What? Uh.
Yes, like right now, we just conducted an audit on your taxes and we found out that the tax which you are filed does not match the tax records that we have, that you filed some wrong amount of taxes on those years. Might be possible. So according to the section 101, that amount is still outstanding on your name, which you have not filed yet, and might be for that reason the local authority will take some legal action under your name, and I will let you know that how much amount you still owe from the IRS. The
Oh.
total amount which is still outstanding on your name, Mr. James, is $2,487, which includes your all pending taxes, legal charges, and late fees.
$2,480.
It's
Wow.
$2,487.
87.
But yes, let me tell you one thing. Like we think that on those year, we are not telling you and we are not saying you that you are not filing your taxes entirely. All right?
Yeah.
It means that you
What?
filed your taxes on those year. Every single year you file your taxes.
Yeah.
But thing is that the tax which you filed were incorrect. All right? There were some errors in your taxes. We found some mistakes that
Ah.
you mess up with taxes. So that's the reason.
Well, I used TurboTax.
Yes, you use turbo taxes. So might be possible that at the time of preparing your taxes, you have made some mistakes, or according due to some system error, you filed some wrong amount. You miscalculated your taxes, but not an issue with that. Like it is done by some mistake your side. All right,
Yeah.
you didn't did it for intentionally. I'm correct.
Yeah. Could you tell me which lines there were? What lines on the on the
I'm
on the
sorry.
on the what lines did I
Beg your
get?
pardon.
Which lines did I get wrong?
Oh, let me tell you. Right now, Mr. James, in the year between 2009 to 2015, the entire year for those you file your taxes with TurboTax online in every single year of that time period, or like in some of the year you hired any of your accountant or you go with some tax firm to file your taxes.
Yes.
All right. So in the time between those, might be possible that your tax preparer or your tax firm had made some mistake during preparing your taxes. All right. And the reason is that right now, why you received this call, because we are going to start our legal procedure under your name. We directly take this case inside the courthouse because this is something a charge of tax fraud. But before we take any legal action under your name, before we take this case legally inside the courthouse, by somehow our legal department just checked your past records and they found out that you are not like a fraud kind of a person.
No,
You never gone jail
I filed my
any
taxes.
tax cases.
I don't want to go to the goat house.
Yes. So right now, what we have at this time of moment, let me complete over here. That you never gonna jail before in any type of tax fraud
Jail?
case. I am correct, Jim?
Jail?
No, no. Listen to me first of all. You never gonna in jail
I
before
can't
in
go
any
to
type
jail.
of tax case. I am not telling you that you can go into the jail. I am telling you that you never gonna jail before. All right?
Yeah.
I am correct. Yes. So that's the reason you received this chance because you never gonna jail before.
Yeah, but I don't want to go to jail now. I don't want to go to the goat house.
Alright, you don't want to go to courthouse. Then you can resolve this case outside of the courthouse.
Outside of the
Simply.
courthouse, good.
Alright. So then stay on the call with me. Let me transfer your line to the supervisor. Supervisor will help you out how to resolve it. What is the procedure to resolve your case? Alright?
Yeah, I don't want to go to the goat house.
Okay. Stay on the line. And let me clear one thing, Mr. James. In order to resolve this case, you need to clear your outstanding amount, which is $2,487.
Yeah.
Are you able to do that?
Yeah. Yeah, I've got some cash in the under the mattress in the bed.
I'm sorry?
I have some cash under the mattress in the bed in $20 bills.
So hold on, let me transfer your line to the supervisor.
That's
So we'll explain you.
$2,487.
Correct.
Yeah.
Are you able to manage that amount?
Yeah, sure. I've got thousands under there, thousands and thousands.
I'm sorry? What did you say?
I've got hundreds of thousands of dollars under my bed.
Under your bed.
Yeah, that's where I keep my money. Don't trust the banks.
You are making me fool like what? I understand that you are just wasting my time.
No, not at all. It's just where I keep my money.
Even
I keep my money under there. It's safer than a bank because banks go bankrupt sometimes and you lose all your money. So I put all my money under my bed.
so you can put in some safe. You can buy a safe to put
Ye-
your money.
Yeah, but people know about safes, don't they?
What?
I say I can't afford a safe.
You can afford a safe.
Anyway, let's get this tax sorted out. Anyway, we get this sorted out. It's $2,487. Yeah.
So you have that amount as a cash with you.
Yes.
Alright, alright. So what you need to do right now, you want to resolve this case outside of the courthouse, correct?
Yes, I don't want to go to the court house. No.
Alright. So to start the resolvement procedure, can you please verify your social security number? So according to that, I will talk to the officer and drop your all legal charges.
Yeah, sure. It's written down here somewhere. I don't keep it handy because it's not the sort of thing that people normally ask for.
You didn't recognize your
I can,
social security?
Yeah, you want the last four numbers?
I'm sorry?
Do you want the last four numbers?
You give me the last four number or the entire social security number if you...
No, I never give I never ever give my whole social security number. I give the last four numbers. It's 6738. I only give the last numbers. I never give my whole number out. It's dangerous.
Okay, no problem. Hold on, let me talk to them. Oh yeah, but here it shows that the person, Mr. James Dean, is not. It is your social security number, last four digits.
Yes, 6738.
738. Hold on, let me check. Alright. So Mr. James, like in order to resolve this case, you have the funds, alright?
Yeah, $2,487. I wrote it
Yes.
down, right? I wrote it down.
Okay.
So how do we do this? Do I send the cash to the local office or what?
What you're telling me right now?
Do I go to my local tax office and pay this money to the guy?
Oh, I will guide you how to do that,
Yeah.
because this time the mode of payment will be different. Alright, I will explain you that first of all, if you need to resolve this case, then you need to follow two conditions.
Uh-huh.
Alright, the legal office put two conditions in front of you. You follow that condition, then and then you are able to resolve this case. Alright.
Yeah.
So the first condition is that right now on which line we are talking, this line are federally recorded, and you need to keep open this line until and unless we resolve this case, because this all recording is going to be submitted inside the courthouse in favor of you or in against of you. Alright?
Yeah. I say I don't want to go to the courthouse.
So then stay on the call me unless you resolve this case. And this is your cell phone number, correct?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Okay.
That's
Hold on.
213-452-24138.
Alright. So right now, Mr. James, the second condition is that at this time of moment there would be a legal case is running under your name, so system is not going to accept any of your payment via bank check, credit card or any debit card. We never ask your any personal financial information over this phone call.
I see.
Alright, so there would be a different type of payment you need to do, because you need to go and make your payment via EFTPS, which is stand for Electronic Federal Tax Payment System.
Oh,
Alright?
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, you can Google it. It is the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System.
Oh no, I
In this
believe you. I've
system-
just never heard of it.
In this system, you need to go and buy some electronic card from your nearest government store
God.
and verify with the IRS.
Yeah.
Then after, we are going to fix your appointment with the IRS officer, Mr. John. He's gonna come at your place, Mr.
Yeah.
John White. He's gonna come at your place, provide you documentation, paperwork.
Oh,
And
that'd be
then
great.
after you need to hand over those electronic cards to that officer hand to hand.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yep.
Is that
That's
okay?
that's no problem. So where do we get these cards from again?
Oh, I will guide you in which store you will buy that card. Can you please verify your current zip code? Where are you right now, so I can find
we're
the
in,
nearest convenience?
We're at 6826 Sunset Boulevard. That's West Hollywood, California. That's 90220.
What is the zip code?
90220. Oh, he bloody hung up. Twat. Oh, that's a shame.